In this video, I'll show you how to manually create an invoice in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Next, click Billing in the left-hand menu and then select Invoices. Once you're on the Invoices page, click Create Invoice. After that, choose an existing customer or create a new customer by entering their name and email address. Now, add the products or services you want to bill for. Enter a description, quantity, and price for each item you want to include on the invoice. Next, review the invoice details and make any necessary adjustments, such as adding taxes, discounts, payment terms, or a due date. After that, click Preview to see how the invoice will look to your customer. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invoice. Stripe will email the invoice directly to your customer with a secure payment link. Finally, monitor the invoice status from the Stripe dashboard. You'll be able to see when the invoice is sent, viewed, paid, or overdue. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manually create an invoice in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.